Hey guys, you're gonna be watching this video. Yeah, it's pretty gay. I mean, it's about math, but I have to watch it for homework or something like that. So enjoy.
63. I'm sure I'll make a careless mistake at some point in this video, and
yeah, you probably will.
Identify if and when I do. All right, now we're these guys up here. Now we can multiply this 5, which is in the tens place.
Really?
It's really a 50 times this up here. Because it's a 50, we stick a 0 down there.
Really?
5 times 6 is
really?
30. Put the 0 there, put the 3 up there.
Really?
5 times 9 is 45. Plus the 3 is 48. 48. 5 times 7 is 35.
You don't
plus
say.
4 is 39. 39. Now we're ready to add.
Oh my god, my
8
favorite
plus
part.
0 is 8. 6 plus 0 is 6. 3 plus 8. 3 plus 8 is 11. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7
gross.
plus 9 is 16. And then 1 plus 3 is 4. So 796 times 58 is 46,168.
Really?
And that sounds about right, because 796, it's almost 800. It's all, which is almost 1,000. So it's, if we multiplied 1,000 times 58, we'd get 58,000. But we're multiplying something a little bit smaller than 1,000 times 58, so we're getting something a little bit smaller than 58,000. So
Really?
the number is
Really?
in the correct ballpark.
Really?
Now let's just do one more here, where I'm really going to step up the stakes.
I would like to move on.
Let's do 523 times, I'm going to do a 3-digit number now, times 798. That's a big 3-digit number. But it's the same exact process. And once you kind of see the pattern, you say, hey, this will apply to any number of digits times any number of digits. It'll just start taking you a long time, and your chances of making a careless mistake are going to go up. But it's the same idea. So we start with 8 times 523. 8 times 3 is 24. Stick the 2 up there. Now 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 2 is 18.
Really?
1 up there. 8 times 5 is 40. Plus 1 is 41.
Oh my god.
So 8 times 523 is 4,184.
You just made my day.
We're not done. We have to multiply times the 90 and divide by the 700. So let's do the 90 right there. So it's a 90, so we'll stick a 0 there. It's not a 9. So 9 times, and let's get rid of these guys right there. 9 times 3 is 27. 9 times 3 is 27.
Really?
9 times 2 is 18. 18 plus 2 is 20. And then we have 9 times 5 is 45. 45 plus 2 is 47. I didn't want to write that thick. 47. Let me make sure I did that one right. Let's just review it a little bit. 9 times 3 was 27. We wrote the 7 down here and put the 2 up there. 9 times 2 is 18. We added 2 to that, so we wrote 20. Wrote the 0 down there and the 2 up there. Then 9 times 5 was 45, plus 2 is 47. You really have to make sure you don't make careless mistakes with these. Then finally, we have to multiply the 7, which is really a 700 times 523. And for a 90, when it was just an 8, we just started multiplying here. When it was a 90, when we were doing with the tens place, we put a 0 there. Now that we're dealing with something that's in the hundreds, we're going to put 2 zeros there. 2 zeros right there. And so you have 7, and let's get rid of this stuff. That'll just mess us up. 7 times 3. 7 times 3 is 21. Put the 1 there. Stick the 2 up there. 7 times 2 is 14. 14 plus our 2 is 16. 16, put the 1 up there. 7 times 5 is 35. Plus 1 is 36. 36. And now we're ready to add. And hopefully we didn't make any careless mistakes. So 4 plus 0 plus 0, that's easy, that's 4. 8 plus 7 plus 0, that's 15. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. 4 plus 7 plus 6. That's what? 4 plus 6 is 10. 17. 17. And then we have 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11.
No
Carry
crap.
the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. So 523 times
Great job.
798 is
Let's give a hand for this guy.
417,354. And we can even check to make sure. And so this is the moment of truth. Let's see if we let's see, 523 times
Guy's so stupid, he had to use a
798.
calculator.
No, he's not. He's just showing
There
you
you
how to
go.
get the answer.
Moment of
I know,
truth.
but
I
you
don't have to
don't
need-
re-record
It's
this
awesome.
video.
You don't
It's
need to use a calculator for it.
417,354, but we
Yeah,
did it
it's a way to
without
check
the
your
calculator.
I know,
which is
but
the
a
important
calculator
point.
seems a little cheesy.
You're cheesy. Here.
Your
Okay,
face
you're all
is
done.
cheesy.
So why don't you try the next one?
What's this one?
Push play.
Okay.
What's this one?
Never hurts to get a lot of practice. So in this video, I'm just going to do a bunch more of essentially what we call long division problems.
Okay, watch that, and then you're going to do character study for
4
ELA.
goes
Is that all you
into
have for ELA?
Yes.
What about this Wizards of Characters?
Yes, I also have to do that too.
92. And I don't know why exactly
You can
why
read
they call it
upstairs.
long division, and we saw this